Can't even see it.
Get closer to him.
Get him! Jared's gonna get him! Oh!
Is he puking?
He's got him! Oh, shoot!
Oh, he might turn on him!
Jared goes,
He's trying to turn!
Did he puke? You puked, didn't he?
Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Jared, get him off!
Jared goes, oh shit.
Get him off! He's done now!
Jared's tapping out.
I'm done.
Jared's tired.
Jared's still on him.
Jared doesn't care.
Looks like Jared's fucking drying up.
Get him!
It did nothing.
Here.
What are those noises?
Get him!
Gets him in a leg lock.
Oh! Oh! Yeah!
What is going on? No, you do it. They are heavy, hardcore
gosh.
breathing
Don't
right
let
now.
him get you.
Heavy, hardcore breathing.
Oh!
You can't even see Jared.
He's going for it!
Josh, it looks like a freaking dying
Going
fish.
for it!
Josh looks like a dying fish.
I'm so tired. Hit him, Jared! Jared! Got him!
Jared just looks over and smiles.
Jared's gonna get him!
You can't even see him.
He's so heavy!
look like that stomach on your face.
No, he was 69.
Oh, I'm tired.
Jared isn't.
No, keep going. Don't tap out. Keep going.
You can't tap out. He ain't doing nothing to you.
Look at those.
Oh, stomach's hurting.
Look at damn tummies. Oh, you're heavier than he is. You should be losing this.
Oh, shoot!
Oh, he just blew on his stomach.
He's not done! He's got energy
Losing him.
left.
You're
Oh.
losing him.
Oh,
No,
you
yes,
should've
I
kept-
am.
You should have kept with that one.
He's trying to trick
Hey,
you.
did you hear Morgan Mick? She goes, oh, he blew on his stomach.
He's doing it.
Oh! Oh, yeah! I hate that move.
I hate that move.
He's getting him!
Jared's cute.
He's getting him!
Yeah.
He's getting him!
Josh just looks so smiling. Why is he wearing a t-shirt?
He doesn't want to get dirty.
I hope you take a shower today. Your too long stretch might be over.
Oh! He can't get out now.
buddy?
He's got him.
You good, buddy?
He's getting him. He got him. Watch out, he's not done. He's gonna get you back.
He's gonna get you.
Ow, man.
He's gonna get you.
You better watch out.
Oh! He's pushing his face in the ground.
Eat the spike dog crap.
Oh, he's got grass in his mouth. Josh is gonna get you. Watch out.
Ream out, ream out, ream
Oh,
out.
my nuts. You better run. Oh, yeah. He just takes off. Jared's the winner. Jared's the winner. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Josh, wanna put your shirt down, or is he gonna leave it up, or?
The winner. Let's go again, Jared. Oh,
Look at all the dirt on his shoulder.
he wants to go again. Rematch. Let's go again. Now he has energy.
Yeah, this is best of three now. He got you early. You got him.
Let's go.
Best of three. This is the championship round.
Son.
We need a better light.
Let's go.
You can't see.
It
It doesn't work.
Jared won. Let's go, Jared.
Jared's gonna
You just
retire
flip the car around, shine the light on him.
What are you gonna do? Retire undefeated, I say.
You big pussy. Come on, let's go. Oh. Come on, pussy.
You can't take that.
Whoa.
You can take that, Jared.
He said he was tired. He said he was tired, man. You're tired. Go.
You should be more intense than he is. He ain't done nothing for like half a year.
Ooh, look at the car. Let's go.
He has a car.
Countdown. Let's get a countdown. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
Morgan, you hold this now.
Oh, they're going early.
What?
They're going
Are
early.
you gonna light?
You better. You better.
Get on top. Get on top. Get him down! Oh! Pants down. Oh! He's a random donkey in it. Oh shoot. He's down!
He's in random donkey position. He's good.
Uh-oh! Jared! You got him! Get off! He's belly. Don't let him get on top! Oh god. Oh shoot! Don't let him get on top! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, take that! You guys see that? You guys see that? I could have been the only one to see that.
I saw it.
1-1. 1-1.
Round 3, let's end it.
Flicks the camera off.
Wait, has that been continuous or have you stopped it yet? What the heck? You should have stopped it.
For 7 minutes and 30 seconds now.
I can probably do something to it. 1-1.
Catch your breath.
Who won? I did. 1-1.
Will Josh making a comeback or will Jared finish him off? Round 3 continues.
That was good.
Referee. Congratulations.
Referee.
Referee.
What?
Referee.
There's a lot of heat coming off him.
Alright, round 3.
He's in the random donkey.
Big man versus
Ding,
bigger
ding,
man.
He's
ding.
just like random donkey.
Let's get ready to wrestle.
Is this what referee means?
WrestleMania, brother.
Break!
That took you 2 times.
No!
Oh, that was quick.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh, Josh. Don't let him get on top.
You got it, Zeke. You got it, Zeke.
Roll out of it. Uh-oh. Roll out of it.
I forget all the moves. Oh.
Don't you give up, Jared.
You got it, Zeke. Take your time.
Let's do this. Yeah, this phone is 4 gig. You got plenty of time.
Yeah.
Don't you give up, Jared.
Never wrestled with 300 pounds on me.
Looks like Josh is taking a nap.
Yeah, he's resting.
Don't let him catch his breath, Jared.
What are you doing? Roll over. Get off. Get off the back.
Quick, like a crab lie on your back.
Eat the grass.
Oh!
Get it.
Oh! Get out of it! Oh, he's bit all over it! Oh! Get out of it! Get out of it! to get Josh off you. Keep going, Jared. Keep going. Don't you give up.
Oh, nice.
Turned on him. Uh-oh. Oh.
Come on, you got him once. You can get him again. He's in the way.
Keep tickling him. It seems like your only tactic.
I got him. You done?
You got him. Zeke, you gotta keep going, kid. Let's go. There. You're not done. Oh, he pushed him off. Push the boob.
I got you.
There's no pin here. It's tap out or go home. First one to pass out, really. Go, go. Oh, come on. Don't tap yet.
Don't do it, Zeke.
You're good.
Zeke, you got it.
He's ignoring you.
Zeke, you got it.
He's on top of you. Now, come here.
I'm done.
You guys are one sweaty mess right now. So you guys are going to be itching for
Josh is the winner.
What you gotta say for yourself?
I'm tired. Tired as a meal. I need some cheesecake.
Okay, ask the defeated.